Okay, guys, I'll will solve a few questions out here. So what I'll do is that I have downloaded a few sample question papers. Okay, so I'm uploading a paper out here, and you will have to solve the questions one by one. So as soon as you are solved with the questions, you let me know. Okay, so here are the few instructions that you need to read. And once you are done with reading the instructions, so I am reading it for you. There are 30 questions which are divided into four sections: A, B, C, D. Section A contains of 6 questions of 1 marks each. Similarly, section B, 6 questions of 2 marks each. Section C is the largest sections which has questions of 3 marks, and section D has 8 questions of 4 marks each. So internal choices are there. So there you can select, and calculators are not allowed. Now start doing the question. So I'm starting with the first 6 question. I'll revise first. I'll do the first 6 questions. After, suppose how much time you will take for 6 questions? Suppose 8 minutes or 10 minutes. So solve these questions, 6 questions. After 5 minutes, I'll scroll down so that you can write down the first, so that you can see the sixth question. You have to solve first 6 questions. You can see 5 questions on your screen. After 2-3 minutes, I'll scroll down so that you can see sixth question. Okay. Okay, first six questions I'm going to solve. So what's the answer of first six questions? Can you tell me answer of first question? Rustil, I'll go to the next set, but I need to solve the first six questions. At least I need to give you answers. Param, your answer is correct. Non-terminating, but it is non-terminating repeating or non-terminating non-repeating. So 7 by 75. No other option. Again, it does not go. So 0. Then how many times it will go? It will go 9 times. This will be 675. This will be 25. So it will go 3 times. And this will be 225. And this will again be 25. This will again go 3 times. So this will be 225. This will again be 25. So we see that the answer would be 0.093 bar. So what would be the answer? 0.093 bar. So it is non-terminating, but it is repeating. Now question number 2. Question number 2 tells me that find the values of k for which quadratic equation has equal roots. So if quadratic equation has equal roots, it means that b square is equal to 4ac. And b square, because d is equal to 0, so b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So b over here is minus k root 3 whole square, and that is equal to 4. A is 3 here and c is 4 here. So if I take square of it, it becomes k square into 3, and that becomes 4 into 3 into 4. This 3 gone. K square is equal to 16. K can be equal to plus minus 4. Question number 3 tells me that find the 11th term of the series. So I can see that A is equal to 23, B is equal to A is equal to 27. I'm sorry. B is equal to 23. So I can see that D is equal to minus 4 here. T11 would be equal to A n minus 1D T. So it becomes 27. N is 11 minus 1 is 10 into minus 4. So that comes out to be 27 minus 40, and that is equal to minus 13. Question number 4. Find the coordinates of the point on y-axis which is nearest to the point. So this is a point minus 2, 5, and I have to find out a point on y-axis which is nearest to the point. So nearest to the point means on from this point on y-axis I draw a perpendicular. So this is the point on y-axis which is nearest to this point. So what is the y value here? 5. What is the x value on y-axis? That is 0, 5. So that's the answer. Now question 5 I need to do. Question 5 tells me that so ST by RQ, one second, ST by RQ, ST and RQ are parallel. Okay, there is no relationship has been given between ST and RQ. So ST and RQ are parallel. It means that triangle, I can prove that triangle PTS and triangle PQR are similar. And if they are similar, then then what I have to find out? How much PS has been given? PS has been given as 3 and SR has been given as 4. So relationship would be PS divided by PR, and PR is nothing but PS divided by PS plus SR. PR is PS plus SR. So this is 3 and this is 3 plus 4. So how much it comes? This comes out to be 3 divided by 7. So if corresponding sides are in ratio 3 by 7, areas would be in ratio of square of the ratio of corresponding side. So the ratio of PST divided by area PQR would be 3 by 7 square. So which is equal to 9 by 49. Now question number 6 tells me that cos A is equal to 2 by 5. So this is base and this is hypotenuse. For tan A, I need to find out perpendicular divided by base. So perpendicular would be hypotenuse square minus base square. So hypotenuse is 5 square 25, base square is 2 square 4. So perpendicular comes out to be under root 21. So tan A is under root 21 divided by base is 2. So what I have to find out? I have to find out 4 plus 4 tan square A. So this is nothing but 4 plus 4 into tan square would be 21 divided by 2 square 4. This 4 and 4 gone. 4 plus 21 comes out to be 25. So that's your answer. So I have solved these 6 questions. Now let me move to another section. So this is so question 7 to 12 is. Oh, Rushil, I forgot. It says 11th term from the last. So, okay, you guys can solve that question. I didn't see that it is asking 11th term from the last. And I'm looking at your message now. So, I will solve that question. Let's solve second part. I'll solve question number 3 again. Yes, answer is minus 25. There is no doubt the answer is minus 25. I didn't see it that it is asking 11th term from the last. I'll solve that question again. Yes, I know from the last it has been told. I will do that question. I didn't see it. The answer is minus 25. Okay, should I solve these questions or should I give you only answers? Okay, fine. So I'll give you only answers. Okay, I'll solve question number 8. Question 7 answer is, you don't need to have, that was to prove. Question 8 I'll solve anyway. Those who have done, the answer is A16 is equal to 65. And question 9, K is equal to 1. Question 10, question 11. Question 10 I'll just see, guys. Question 11, first answer is P of. Question 9 I'll do, guys. Just wait. I'll do question 8, question 9. I'm just giving answers. So P is 113. And for question second part, multiple of 7, it will be 6 divided by 113. And question 12, x is equal to 3. So these are the answers. Now let me solve question 8 and 9 for you guys. So question 8 tells that Sn is equal to 2n square plus 3n. So S1 is equal to 2 plus 3, 5. And what do you mean by S1? Sum of the first term. Sum of the first term means what? It is only the first term. So A1 is equal to 5. And S2 is equal to 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2. So how much it comes? 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So D comes out to be S2 minus S1, that is equal to 9. So 16th term would be A plus 15D. So how much it would be? Just give me a moment. Have I done something wrong? So, okay, yes, D would not be 14. If S2 is 14, it means that A1 plus A2 is equal to 14. So A1 is equal to 5. So A2 would be 9, not D would be 9. So A2 is 14. So A2 is equal to 9. So D comes out to be how much? D comes out to be 4. So how much it would be? This would be 5 plus 15 into 4. So that comes out to be 5 plus 60 is equal to 65. So this is how you have to do question 8. Now what is there in question 9? The question 9 is telling me that, let me read the question first of all. Yes, question 9 is find the value of k for which you have infinitely many solution. For infinitely many solution, if I have equations like this, a a1 by a2 is equal to, for this linear equation, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So I have kx plus y is equal to k square, and I have x plus ky is equal to 1. So k by 1 is equal to 1 by k, and that is equal to k square divided by 1. So you take anywhere, if you take these two equations also, k square comes out to be 1. So if k square is 1, k would be how much? K can be anything. K can be how much, guys? K can be either plus or minus 1. So I will check if I keep minus here. So you cannot take negative value here, because if you take k negative, so this becomes minus 1, this becomes minus 1, but this remains positive because this is k squares. So I cannot take this negative value. So I will have to take positive value. So k is equal to 1. So this is what question 9 is. Any other doubt, guys, from question number 7 to 12? Just tell me. Otherwise, I'll move to question number 13 to 20. Sorry, 13 to 22, I think. 13 to 22. Okay, nobody is asking me anything. So I'm moving to question number 13 now. Eighth question I have already explained. Who is asking eighth question? I have already explained eighth question. Eighth question was like this. Where were you when I was solving eighth question? I have, eighth question I'll once again solve. Sn is equal to 2n square plus 3n. Sn means sum of first n terms. So S1 is equal to 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1, that is equal to 5. So S1 in sum of first term means it is only the first term. S2 is equal to 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2. So that is 8 plus 2, that is equal to 4. 8 plus 6, sorry, that is equal to 14. So S2 is what? Sum of first two terms. A1 plus A2 is equal to 14. So this is 5 plus A2 is equal to 14. A2 comes out to be 14 minus 5, that is equal to 9. So A1 is 5 and A2 is 9. So D would be equal to A2 minus A1, which is 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. So A16 would be equal to A1 plus, so 5 plus 16 minus 1 is 15, 5 plus 15 into 4. So how much it comes? 65. That's the answer. Which one is seventh question? Seventh question. Seventh question is like this. P is equal to A cube. P is equal to A square B cube. Q is equal to A cube B. So LCM would be highest power of A in both of them, that is A cube, and HCF would be how much? LCM and highest power of B in both of them. So that is B cube. HCF would be lowest power of A in both of them, that is A square, and lowest power of B in both of them, that is B. So LCM into HCF would be equal to A cube B cube into A square B, that is equal to A to the power 5 into B to the power 4. And when I multiply P into Q, so I have A square B cube into A cube B. So that is also equal to 2 plus 3 5 and 3 plus 1 4. So both are equal. Should I scroll down? Just let me know when I have to scroll down. Should I scroll down? Where are you guys? Should I scroll down? I solved Mehul the seventh question already. Look at here, those who have not done seventh question. Time and again, where were you when I was solving? Here is the seventh question on the screen. Question number 17 is either this question or this question. Guys, don't discuss among yourself. I'll solve the questions. Yeah, I'll explain 17th question. Okay, so guys, try to understand. I'm going to solve questions now, and then we will solve rest of the questions of part C, section C. Right? So this is how you need to solve question number 13. All of you look at the screen now. Don't ask me later, sir, how did you do question number 13? n, n plus 2, n plus 3. There are three kind of multiples of 3, or there can be three types of number only. Either the number would be 3k divisible by 3, or it would be 1 more than divisible by 3, or it can be 2 more than divisible by 3. So first I assume n is equal to 3k. If n is equal to 3k, n would be divisible by 3. So one number is divisible by 3. No need to check n plus 2 and n plus 4. If n is 3k plus 1, n is not divisible. But n plus 2 would be 3k plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3k plus 3. 3k plus 3 is divisible by 3. Now n is equal to 3k. N plus 2 is equal to 3k plus 2. N plus 4 is equal to 3k. No, sorry, n is 3k plus 2. So n plus 2 is 3k plus 4. And n plus 4 is 3k plus 6. Now this is not divisible by 3. This is not divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. So in all three cases, I have proved that one number is divisible by 3. One second, let me solve these questions. I'm coming to the next set. Now, question 14, it's so question 14, let me do it. So x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3 are my factors. I'll multiply these factors. I'll get x square minus 5 by 3, which is nothing but 1 by 3, 3x square minus 5. It means that 3x square minus 5 is factor of 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. I will divide this by 3x square minus 5. So this will go x square times. So this becomes 3x to the power 4 minus 5x square. So I get minus and plus here. So I have 6x cube plus 3x square. So this will give me plus 2x here. So I will get 6x cube minus, sorry, here I'll write minus 10x, and minus 10x will come from above also. So you see here, if I subtract this, this is gone and this minus minus becomes positive. So this is gone and this is gone. I have 3x square minus 5 here, which will go one time. So if I take it one time, this will become 3x square minus 5. So this is gone. I have x square plus 2x plus 1 as other two factors. So x square plus 2x plus 1 is 0. It means that x plus 1 square is 0. So x is equal to minus 1. This is it. Now let me go to question 15. Seven times a two-digit number is equal to, I don't think, how many of you have not done question 15? If you have not done, then only I'll solve. Otherwise, I'll not solve. These are easy questions. If anyone wants me to solve question 15, just post it in the group. Nobody wants me to solve question 15. Okay, no issues. I'm going to question 16 now then. So question 16, what is it telling? First part is telling me that in what ratio does x-axis divide the line segment joining the points minus 4, 6. So I am taking the 2 points minus 4, 6. Points are minus 4, minus 6, and this has minus 1, minus 7. And suppose x-axis divides it in 1 is to k ratio. So if it divides it into 1 is to k ratio, how much it becomes? It it is, so this is x1, this is x2. So this is x1 into k, so minus 4k, x2 into minus 1, so this is minus 1 divided by 1 plus k. And this is y1 and this is y2. So y1 into k minus 6k plus y2 into 1, so plus 7 divided by k plus 1. Now this has to be x-axis coordinate. So here y is equal to 0. So which is the y-axis? This is my y-axis. This has to be 0. So for this to be 0, minus 6k plus 7 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 6k plus 7 is equal to 0, or k comes out to be 7 divided by 6. So so it would be 1 is to k ratio. So 1 divided by 1 is to 7 by 6, which is nothing but 6 is to 7 ratio. So that is how you have to solve this question. Now question 16, I'm going to the next part. So question 16, the next part is, let me read the question for you. So question tells that the points A, B, C, D form a parallelogram. Find the length of the altitude of the parallelogram on base AB. So how do you solve this question? Now take any 3 points, take point ABC and find out the area of the triangle. How do you find out area of the triangle with point ABC? So to do this question, what I am telling you is that these are ABCD. Listen to, just look at this question. This question is very important. So this is ABCD. So I'm just taking points A, points B, and points C. So I know the length of AB. Length of AB would be equal to, so let me find out length of AB. Length of AB would be equal to 7 minus 4 and 2 plus 2. So how much it would be? 7 minus 4 square plus 2 minus minus 2 is 2 plus 2 square. So this is 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 5. So this AB is 5. Now I need to find out area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2. Now suppose I'm writing it here. Let me write A is 4 minus 2, B is 7, 2, and C is how much? C is 0, 9. Great. So it would be x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, and this will be going like this. So 1 by 2, x1 I am assuming to be 4, so this comes out to be 4. So y2 would be 2 and y3 would be 9. So this becomes 4 into 2 minus 9. X2 I am assuming to be 7. So y3 would be 9. Y1 would be minus 2. So plus 2 here. Minus minus plus. And x3 I am assuming to be 0. So I don't need to take anything. This is 0. So I'll close it here. So how much it comes? It comes out to be 1 by 2. 4 into 4 into minus 7. So how much that is? Minus 28 plus 9 into 7 is 11 into 7 is 77. So how much it would be? That would be 49 divided by 2. So area of triangle is 1 by 2 into altitude into AB is equal to 49 divided by 2. Now all this 2 and 2 gone, altitude would be equal to 49 divided by AB. 49 divided by AB I have calculated as 5. So altitude will come out to be 9.8. So this is how you have to do it. Now let me go to question 17. So question 17 tells me that question 17 first part I am solving. So PQR, and then I have a angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and then I have STMR NM. So I have something like this. This is P, this is Q, this is R, and on the same line, this was M perhaps, yes, M, and this is N, and there was a line here, and this was connected to this, and this was connected to this. This is ST. So this is angle 1, this is angle 2, and it has been given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now what I have to prove? I have to prove that PTS, so where is PTS? This is PTS is similar to, so this is sign of congruency. So this is sign of congruency and this is sign of similarity. Congruency means angles are same, the ratio of corresponding angle is 1, everything over here. Here I have to prove PRQ. Okay, great. So PTS PRQ. So I have to prove that PTS is similar to PRQ, and I have been given that Q NSQ NSQ is congruent to NSQ is congruent to MTR. Okay. So how do I prove it? To prove that they are similar, I have to prove that if I have to prove that this line is parallel to this line. If I'm able to prove that this angle is 1 and this angle is 2, because P is common angle, I'll be able to prove that they two are similar. So to prove that this angle are true, I have to prove that these two lines are uh, parallel to each other. Now how do I do it? So now try to understand that first you see that this angle Q is equal to this angle R. How? So look at here. Here it has been told that S is congruent with T. So it means that angle SQR is equal to angle MTR. So these, sorry, not this angle and this angle is equal. Now try to understand. Now angle P plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, and angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is also equal to 180 degree. So what I can do is that I can say that, just look at here guys, I can say that angle P plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle P plus angle Q plus angle R. Why? Because they both are equal to 180 degrees. So angle P is gone. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle Q plus angle R. And try to understand guys, as angle 1 is equal to angle 2, so I can write it that you look at here one second. So I can write it that 2 times angle 1. Now you see here what's the criteria I am getting here. So this angle Q, are you guys listening to me? Is my voice clear? I am not getting any comment, nothing. I'm just solving the question. So I thought I'll ask in between that, do you guys listen to me? Are you guys listening to me or not? Okay, fine. So after this, what I need to do is that I need to find once again, and by CPCTE, can I prove that angle Q is equal to angle R? So you see here, this angle is opposite to angle R, and this side is opposite to angle R, and this side is opposite to angle Q, and both are same sides. So by CPCTE, I can prove that angle Q is equal to R. So I can write down that 2Q is equal to 2 times 1. So angle Q is equal to angle 1, and similarly angle R would be equal to angle 2. So I have proved that angle Q is 1 and angle R is 2. P is common. So I have angle similarity, or so that's how you have to prove 17th question. Now let me go to Ojasvi, the method that you are talking is correct. I was just trying to prove angle similarity. Now let me go to B part of this. So B part is telling me that in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is the point on BC such that BD is 1 by 3 BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. So how do you prove it? So it has been given to me as ABCD, and BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. So I have to prove that 9 AD square is equal to 7AB square. So what I do is that I draw a perpendicular from here. Now this perpendicular would be perpendicular bisector, because in any equilateral triangle, if from vertex I draw a perpendicular to the opposite side, that perpendicular is perpendicular bisector. So what happens over here is I can find out the length of this perpendicular bisector in terms of AB or whatever you are saying. So whatever, so if this is AP, so what happens is AD square is equal to AP square plus PD square, and this PD square can be found. So what is PD? PD is equal to PB minus BD. So PB is BC by 2, half of it, and BD is 1 by 3 BC. So BC divided by 3. So how much it comes? It comes out to be BC by 6. So PD is equal to BC by 6. And AP square would be equal to, I am converting it, AP square plus BP square is equal to AB square. So AP square is equal to AB square minus BC square by 4. So that is how it is. So you see here, this will be equal to AD square, AP square is AB square minus BC square by 4, and here I am getting PD square is plus BC square by 36. So how much I get? I get AD square is equal to AB square, and this becomes 9 minus how much? Oh, and it is AB is equal to BC also, because this is equilateral triangle. So this becomes AB square minus AB square by 4 plus AB square by 36. So how much it comes? 36 plus 37, 37 minus 9. 37 minus 36 plus 37. This is AB square. So somewhere I'm going calculation mistake I'm doing, guys. Just give me a moment. I'll do it once again. I've done some calculation mistake. So Let me find it out for you once again. AP square is equal to AP square plus DP square is equal to AD square, and AP DP can be written as DP is equal to BP minus BD, and this is DP, and AP square can be written as, so let me AP square can be written as AP square plus BP square is equal to AB square. So AP square, BP is how much? AB by 2. So AB square by 4 is equal to AB square. So AP square is equal to 3AB square by 4. So this is nothing but 3AB square by 4, and DP square is equal to how much? BP. BP is how much? BC by 2, which is also AB by 2, and BD is how much? 1 by 3 BC. So 1 by 3 BC, I can also write 1 by 3 AB. So AB by 2. So this is comes out to be AB by 6. So DP square is nothing but AB square divided by 36. So this will be how much? This will be 36, and this goes 9 times, so 27 AB square plus AB square is equal to AD square. So now I got 28 AB square divided by 36 is equal to AD square. So this is 7, this is 9. So I can write here 7AB square is equal to 9AD square. As simple as that. So now we will solve other questions. So solve from question number 18. Solve question number 18, then you have question number 19. Okay, question number 18 I have put. This is question number 19. This is question number 20. So first I'll show you question number 19. If you want to write it down, write it down. Then I'll go to question number 20. Question number 20 is on 2 pages. Okay, let me go to question number 20 now. Write down this part of question number 20 on your copy. Okay, this is question number 20. Then question number 21 is also on the screen now. Okay, I'll solve question number 20. Any other request for any other question? From question number 18 to 22, list down the questions that I need to solve. Okay, question 19, part 2. I'm giving you 1 minute to tell you which question I need to solve. Then I'll move ahead. Start solving the question. 19, part 2, and question number 20. Okay, so I'm solving question number 19 now, and I'm solving question number. So question number 19, part 2, I'm solving. Sine theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2. So let's take square of both the sides. Sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 2. And this is nothing but 1. So 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 2. So 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to 1. Sine theta cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Now I know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. I'll divide equation 2 by equation 1. So I get sine square theta plus cos square theta divided by sine theta cos theta is equal to 1 divided by 1 by 2, which is equal to 2. So sine square theta divided by sine theta cos theta is nothing but sine theta gets cancelled out. That comes out to be sine theta by cos theta, which is tan theta. And here cos square theta cancelled out cos theta. So you have cos theta divided by sine theta, that is equal to cot theta, and that is equal to 2. So that's how you have to solve question number 19 part B. Okay, question number 20 I'm solving now. And question number 20 tells me that what is the ABPC is a quadrant of the circle of radius 14 centimeter. ABPC, ठीक है, is a quadrant of a circle of radius, and semicircle is drawn with a BC as diameter. ठीक है, find the area of shaded region. So देखो क्या होता है जी यहाँ पे. It is, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is how this quadrant of the circle, and this is where another semicircle is. So to find out area of this region, what I need to do is to find out the area of this semicircle. To find out area of the semicircle, this is P. So, and suppose this is MQ. So area of BQC is equal to, so not BQC, this is BQC. So this is, suppose this is D. So that would be area of semicircle BDCQ minus area from here to here. How do you find out area from here to here? To find out area, so that is minus area of quadrant of a circle. Circle is what? ABPC minus area of triangle, because this area would be found out only if area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC. So first I'm looking at the values given to me. The values which have been given to me is radius is 14 centimeters. So if radius is 14 centimeter, both AC and AB would be 14 centimeters. So what do I get? I get, or let me find out, suppose this is radius R, this is radius R, so this is root 2R. So area of semicircle would be 1 by 2 pi root 2R square minus area of quadrant. So what would be 1 by 4 pi R square minus area of this triangle. So 1 by 2 into R square. So how much I am getting? I am getting pi by 2 into 2R square minus pi by 4R square plus 1 by 2 plus R square by 2. So this 2 and 2 gone. So I have 3 pi by 4 R square and plus R square by 2. Now let me put the values. So how much I am getting? I will get the values as, oh guys, I have taken root 2 here. This will be, one second, this will be root 2 divided by 2 because that's diameter. So this is nothing but root 2 divided by 2. So this is root 2 only. So this becomes, let me just solve you. Let me just solve it once again. So this becomes 1 by 2 pi r by root 2 square is r square by 2 minus pi r square by 4 plus r square by 2, and this is gone, so you get only r square by 2. So r is how much? How much r has been given? 14. So 196 by 2, that is equal to 98. That's the answer. So now let me move to the other section. Do you want to continue, guys, or you want to do it some other time? I have uploaded the other section. Start solving. Okay, fine. So if you want to continue, continue with the questions. We are left out with only 8 questions. Do it quickly. Yes, ask. First, you solve these questions. Then, if I get time, I'll explain that. Okay, fine. So let others solve it. I'll explain sometimes later. There is nothing in this. Those who have solved it, how to prove it. I'll tell you how do you prove it. So side the similarity ratio is side by side. Area is side square into side square. Now each side, each side, if numerator is a and denominator is b, so a1 by b1 is similarity. So a1 by b1 is 3 by 5. Now area of the triangle would be 1 by 2 a1 into a2 divided by 1 by 2 b1 into b2. Now it becomes a1 square. a, a1 and a2, a1 by b1 and a2 by b2 are same. So a1 into a2 divided by b1 into b2 can be taken as a1 square divided by b1 square. That is how it is proved. Okay, fine. Okay, now let me know if you have any doubt. Otherwise, okay, great. Yes, Rushil, I have uploaded question 30. Okay, guys, if any help is needed, you just let me know. Otherwise, I'll wind up the session because I have to start a class again at 7. Okay, fine, guys. I'm wrapping up the session now. So, I